हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। वेल, आई होप आप सभी अपने घरों में हैं, सेफ है, अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं, वैक्सीन लगा रहे हैं और मेरा इंतजार कर रहे हैं। हाँ वेल, आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ, आज आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट एनी सॉन्ग और एनी मूवी ट्रेलर और टीजर और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट। आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ आप सबके साथ बॉलीवुड की गपशप के बारे में, बॉलीवुड के काफ़ी ज़्यादा हॉट टॉपिक के बारे में, जो कि है हमारे Raj Kudra Sahab. I don't know if he deserves that title anymore. I don't know if he even deserved that title before, but he definitely doesn't deserve that title now. But yes, I am here to talk about Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty. Okay. सो आई मीन आई एम श्योर आप सभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपडेटेड होंगे कि क्या हो रहा है राज कुंद्रा के केस के बारे में। तो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट पुट इन माय वर्ड्स एज वेल एंड व्हाई शुड आई नॉट टॉक टू यू गाइज अबाउट द सेम टॉपिक। So yes, Raj Kundra and his pornography case. As we all know, Raj Kundra बहुत ही recent times में पकड़े गए हैं. He's been arrested and he's been accused of making porn films. He's been accused of making adult films. He's been a creator and a producer of those films. Since pornography is illegal in India, obviously his act was to be considered as illegal too. So उन्हें पकड़ा तो जाना ही था. If you guys don't know, वो फेब में भी उनके ऊपर इंक्वायरी हुई थी, लेकिन उस इंक्वायरी में उन्होंने पैसे खिला के उस इंक्वायरी को दबा दिया था. But I think then there was a change in power, and after that वो भले ही पैसे खिला चुके थे, but still those guys were not going to keep quiet. They got up and they investigated and they found out that Raj Kundra was involved in making porn films. के बारे में बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी न्यूज़ में आ चुकी है. उनकी कंपनी का नाम था आर्म्स प्राइम, एंड उस कंपनी के अंडर वो अलग अलग एप्स में जो है पॉर्न फिल्म्स क्रिएट करके देते थे, एंड ही यूज्ड टू send those films out through those two apps which were under this particular company's name. After he got arrested, उन्होंने bail के लिए भी अपील किया, but then obviously his bail was also rejected, which means that his crime was a non-bailable crime and he did not get a bail for that. His lawyer on the other hand is saying कि ये जो arrest है, this arrest is illegal. Well, hello mister, the arrest is not illegal. What Raj Kundra was doing is illegal. So please don't try to defend what he was doing, because I know it is your job to defend him, but still guys, I mean थोड़ा तो ऑनेस्टी एंड मॉडेस्टी एंड एक इस कंट्री में रह रहे हो तो इस कंट्री के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को कुछ तो मानो, कुछ तो फॉलो करो. यू आर अ लॉयर, यू कांट जस्ट क्लेम anything just like that. So yes, उनके lawyer की बातों को I don't think even consider किया गया, because obviously he was not set out on bail. On the other hand, there was this another person who was involved in this particular case, and her name was Gehna Vashisht. Gehna Vashisht is supporting Raj Kundra, and उन्होंने बहुत ही controversial सी चीज़ करी. What she did, and firstly even she was arrested, but then obviously उन्हें bail मिल गया था. But then after she got bail, she wanted to show her support towards Raj Kundra, and what she did was she went on Instagram live and she got all naked there. And she kept asking the live audience that, do you think this is vulgar? Do you think this is cheap? I really don't understand what she was trying to prove by this. Like, was she trying to justify, or was she trying to just confirm the fact that yes, they were involved in pornography, and was she trying to say that pornography is something that you should not be accusing of, and you should not be finding it vulgar or cheap? Like, was she trying to defend pornography? Oh, what the hell was she doing? Like, I did not really understand कि उनका इस particular act का motive क्या था. उसके अलावा there has been a lot of talks about, like, people have been eagerly waiting for Shilpa Shetty to react to this. They wanted to know how Shilpa Shetty is doing and what her reaction is. Is she supporting Raj Kundra, or is she against him, or what is happening, or did she even know about this entire scandal, or what? Like, people just wanted to know that what is Shilpa Shetty's take on this. But Shilpa Shetty firstly तो kept quiet for a really long time. She did not say anything at all. But then काफ़ी ज़्यादा trolling and काफ़ी ज़्यादा media attention के बाद उन्होंने realize किया that yes, she should put out a word, and she put a post on Instagram जहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखा है that she doesn't want to she doesn't want to validate anything, and she doesn't want to deny anything. She is going to keep her mouth shut. she is not giving out any statement, she's not confirming anything, she's not denying anything. कोट करके एक चीज कही है that never complain, never explain, and she's going to stick by this slogan and she's not going to open her mouth against anything. And उन्होंने bold में लिखा है that she is not trying to validate any of the statement, she is not making a statement and she is not validating or denying anything at all. Basically उन्होंने कुछ भी कहने से साफ इनकार कर दिया है and she is requesting all of everybody to stay away from their personal matter. Though this is not a personal matter, this is something that Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty दोनों के बीच का personal matter नहीं है, ये एक public matter है, because this is about pornography, this is about a company which was doing illegal things, so this cannot be personal. But probably there was a lot of trolling and a lot of comments on Shilpa Shetty and her kids and her family, that then gets personal, and she has requested people to just keep her out of this and to not get in, like not comment on her personal life, which I think makes sense. People should not be that rude and उन्हें उनकी personal life में नहीं interfere करना चाहिए, उनके बच्चों पे comment नहीं करना चाहिए, उनकी family पे comment नहीं करना चाहिए. But then this doesn't mean that people cannot have their opinions on what Raj Kundra did. People can have that, because that is definitely not something personal to Shilpa Shetty. So yes, this is what is happening around Raj Kundra's case. This is the latest update that we have. And जैसे ही कोई और खबर आएगी, then I will make sure that I come up and I speak to you guys about it and I update you guys with it. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope आप सभी अपने घरों में रहें, safe रहें, take care of yourself, your family, and keep getting vaccinated. And yes, I will see you soon, very soon. Take care guys, bye bye.